Good day, YouTubers. This is Michael Steinmetz here. This package came back on my bed, and let's find out what it is. I'm not gonna let my family disturb me, but I'm gonna have to deal with them soon. So here she is. Here's Doctor Who, the Sun Makers. Ooh. This is a good story. This is a good story. I've seen it before. Here we go. There's a BBC logo. There's Tom Baker, Doctor Who, the Sun Makers, DVD, to entertain. See, the Tom Baker years, 1974 to 81. Look on the back. Story number 95. The TARDIS along with the Doctor, Leela, and K9 arrives in Pluto, yes. In a distant future, the time travelers discovered the planet has a breathable whatever it is, and enjoy heat from 6 small suns. But the humans who lived there are taxed and explored heavily from the privilege. When Leela is captured and sentenced to death, the Doctor must save his companion as well as stop the Restless Company before it is too late. That looks very, very bad. There's that picture. There's a Doctor. There's Leela. Woo. She's a savage. And there's that main villain in this episode. There's K9. There he is. K9. Says DVD extras, audio commentary by the actor Tom Baker as the Doctor and Louise Jameson as Leela. Michael Kentley is Goldray. Oh, that's good. Running from the Taxman. A look at the making of the story, at the science behind it with Louise Jameson, Michael Keating, whatever. Well, so cool. The Doctor's Composer, Part 2. Outtakes, original BBC One trailer, photo gallery, and PDF materials, Radio Times listings. Starring Tom Baker and Louise Jameson, written by Robert Holmes. Originally transmitted November 26th to December 17th, 1977. That's mono audio. Let's open it up. Well, here we go. See? There's a recycled material. That's so cool. There's a disc of the Sun Makers. There's Tom Baker and the Sun Makers. Approximately 100 minutes and 47 minutes of extras. 2011. This is so cool. Well, might as well watch this one and get back to you in about December 25th. See you next time. Bye bye.